All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs, where it seems like my whole world is upside down. Not really, just this chair. So you're looking at a European saddle chair, and it was given to me to be repaired uh, from a bed and breakfast down in Wyndham, New York, Allegria Albergo. Please stay there. You'll never want to leave. They cook phenomenally, and they really take care of you. If it's summertime, you get bonfires in the evenings. Fun. Okay, so the story with this chair is that I have completely sort of overhauled it and gave it a nice finish while not uh, interfering too much with its antiqueness. We know with antiques, you don't hardly do anything to them, but just try to keep them from cracking up. So when you can't alter them really, okay. So, but essentially, we had an issue here with this. So basically, this leg had a piece of metal that was, I'm trying not to make you dizzy here, screwed into here, and then there was tape just wrapped round, 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 and that's the way the chair was presented um, in the bed and breakfast. And so what I did was I offered just free of charge, because these people they're that wonderful when you go and you stay at their bed and breakfast. You just want to do something back for them. So what I did initially was to take that hardware off, and then I used Gorilla Glue, and I glued the piece back on. Okay, then I thought, well, as strong as it felt, I didn't want to take any chances, even though we have a lot of glued up area here, right? There's a lot of surface there. So what I did is I thought, I'm going to go ahead and put a dowel in there. So and it goes down to about here. I'm going to share with you the tips. I'm just now getting into repairing antiques. And so this is my second or third project now. So here's how I did this. You can only imagine, how in the world am I going to drill, right, through here, down into there, and get it just right. So here's what I did. I used the dowel itself kind of like as its own marker or its own line. So I figured out that's the angle that I need. So I just put a little score at the top here. And then I use this to align it this way, if that makes sense. Okay. Then I took a much longer unit, and I just needed to feel really good about that. Okay. So, but the magic came in here. If you don't have one, well, you might want to go out and buy one now. This is a dovetail jig. That's what that is. This is made in the USA, Hastings, Michigan. It's called Dowel Company. And I'll tell you what, I haven't used this thing. As a matter of fact, if you've been watching my channel for years, it just basically sits back there under that red unit there. That's what you can do doorknobs with, drill through. So it just gets, it's there. It's going to go back there. But it really gave me a sense of stability while I was drilling. So really all you got to do, it's pretty self-explanatory, is you just put the unit on the stock and tighten the handle. That's it. And then, of course, then you're going to just take the right size bit, drop it down in there, and away you go. All right. I was quite nervous about that. I'm going to be honest with you because, you know, this is an antique chair. And the last thing I wanted to do was to disrupt it further. And so there you go. This is going to give me, you know, as the person who worked on it, a level of confidence that really you're going to have to really go out of your way to break this now. As you know, Gorilla Glue, oh, look, here's that other hole where they had that metal support. So, yeah, there you go. To get that dowel off, another tool I used was this Japanese pull saw. And those are, I'm going to try to switch hands here. Forgive me if I shake too much. And really, Japanese pull saw is a really good tool. This is so sharp. There you go, my friends. It's a very, very good saw. The teeth are very, very fine. And it's like a hair's length. So I'll just take and sand that down a little bit. We're good to go, my friends. Look how beautiful it is. That is a beautiful antique chair. So if my friends from Bed and Breakfast are watching, your chair is done. Come and get it. All right, thanks for watching SC Custom Designs. I hope you enjoyed that. The challenge, it's a new challenge for me actually to repair antiques, because you got to really think outside the box. And you know, what tools do I have in my arsenal? Lord knows I got plenty of tools in my arsenal, but it's the how-to, right? And so you'll find that you'll take your woodworking skill sets to the next level when you challenge yourself like this. All right. The other unit I'm doing, I'm about ready to say goodbye, is tucked away over here at this point. That's an antique chair that my neighbor threw out. I completely disassembled it and broke it all down. And I think what I'm going to be doing is making other chairs. So we're going to move on our projects. We have the sleigh bed side posts. Look up that series. My next step is going to be cutting cavities here like this, and they're going to be slats that are going to go between them. And then the lovely one, look up the series. I got her to guest star in my videos because she's very, very talented. She's the one that designed the template for this. And so my part is almost done here. I just had to put some tung oil on it, and it was out there for 2 weeks, I think, maybe less. And that's really all I need to do at this point. So follow the series to watch how that's coming together. We did this unit some time ago where we took some really old block of wood, which I have sitting over here, and we made from the jet. I'm hungry, that's why I'm talking like this, sorry. Gotta get some food. So we cut it all out on there. I've done many bandsaw boxes here in SC Custom Designs. That being said, we are also working on this. This is my very, very first set of router-based tool where you drop down the router and you hollow out. So these are templates. This is a state part font from Rockler, not sponsored by Rockler. Look up that series. So just about ready to cut that out. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I just found some pine that was lying around in the wood shop. And I didn't have enough room with this piece. So I joined up a piece. And when I'm all done with this, you're not going to be that much the wiser, but it's meant to look rustic. So there you go. I thought, why not practice making sign SD custom designs? And then we ordered the smaller set of templates. And what I didn't realize was I was going to get one of these. I ordered this extra, so now I had two of them. And then I ordered the bit, which is 3/16. And look how cute they are. Look how small that is. That's so cool. Really looking forward to working with that. Give you an idea of how much smaller it is. There's the E there. There's my hand. Here's this E. So that's going to come in handy if I want to put different sizes on. Now, what I'm going to do in the near future is get the middle size. So this is the largest, and there's a smaller one, and then this one. That'll be a lot of fun. All right, let's not forget, we're doing the giveaway. We only have 6 people at this point. And all you got to do is pay the shipping. I'm going to do the drawing on March 2nd, near the end of the day. And some lucky winner, blessed winner, is going to get this. It's a chest-made dovetail jig, through dovetails. It's configurable, so you can go ahead and make those dovetails, as you can see here. So whatever size you want. That's the first giveaway. The second giveaway is going to be this dovetail marker, because I bought an extra one. The third giveaway is going to be this mini mag. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. So this contest is both for current subscribers and new subscribers. So all the rules are in the, just look for that, the chest-made giveaway. Take care. God bless. We'll say our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha. Masalami. Totzin. Tzajin. Take care. And let's stay safe out there.